don't pay. Here's how people are already dropping into Skate 4 for free right now. Stay to the end because the last method most players miss gets you in faster. Skate is free to play in early access on PC and consoles. All you need to do is head to the EA app, Steam, Epic Games Store, or your console's store page and download it directly. No hidden trials, no signups. It's officially free to install. If you're on Xbox, check the store page or EA links first. Depending on your region, one storefront may let you install earlier than the others. The game does include cosmetic currency and passes, but you can unlock plenty just by grinding challenges and seasonal rewards. Focus on daily missions and free events to maximize content without spending. And here's the big one. Developers often run limited time drops like free cosmetics or skate pass rewards during early access. Logging in during these events gets you bonuses most players overlook. If this method works for you, let me know in the comments. Here's a tip. Hit that like and sub if it saved you money so I keep posting the fastest, legit entry guides. If you found this video to be short and to the point, please hit that like and subscribe. It's free, no commitments.